We dey here with one Ogbonge bros, we be Nigerian producer of footwear, because in they do am for here, and then they make sure say kajad. As you can see on the screen, they are lovely looking shoes with their front for here. So, now Oladele Kabiru, now him be the creative director of KCC Bespoke Shoes, and now him be this. My brother, how you dey?
I dey fine.
We dey see your handwork. Your handwork they show say the things kajad. Precious day here.
As you gentle like this, the thing I did look how gentle you dey and the kind
and
hard
the kind work we don't do.
The work we don't do. This thing they shock me. Okay, so we could talk about the product and what you don't do so far. First of all, what push you into saying I won't do shoe for inside Nigeria? We no go do Italo. Na Nigeria we go do.
When I dey young, I like shoes because I get a couple of shoes, but my dad then he dey buy us shoes wey we dey wear, and then come dey really say these shoes wey they buy, we say if we dey do am for here. So I come bring the passion. So when I go school, when I go university, so I see some of my guys, they put on shoes, brooks, loafers. I was like, you say if we dey do this kind of thing now. Though I don't learn slippers when I dey young. So then after the whole school, I can't say okay, let me go venture into this thing since I have passion for them. So after school, now I can't go there, I can't learn everything. So now I can't start to make shoes.
So you mean take your time. So okay, you won't go learn this thing. So you guys pay money for somewhere to learn.
Yes, we guys pay money.
You sabi and wait.
Yes.
Okay, so now where you they make this kind of thing now. We know say to put something like this, if it come from outside, they go down tell you say now this material, that material. How you they get your own material them to they make this kind of thing?
For Nigeria, what people know we say the best producing leather for the whole world. Now Nigeria they carry and come.
Now
Nigeria they carry the leather. Yes. All the leather they are using in Italy everywhere, they carry from Kano. Go refine them. And most of the leather say they sell them for Nigeria here. So now Nigeria here we discount our leathers.
Because I've been almost ask you say, I know say one of the problem with challenges with people when they produce things it gets now importation of materials. I've been ask okay, so how about your soul them? You they import them and then what will be the challenge you get?
So self then they import and come. Okay. But quality by quality.
Okay.
So and they get some soles that they do for Nigeria here, we see they be original, correct so. So in making it, so we have to look for the one way makes sense. And then they sell them for market here.
So you did Nigeria
like Nigeria here. The leather, everything did Nigeria here.
Now, make we enter the cocoa of the matter. Why Nigerians know they patronize made in Nigeria products? We know people don't put plenty list down. Some of them go talk say the quality no they okay. Some of them go talk say you go buy Nigerian shoe like this before you walk out from here reach gate. Shoe done they laugh. People they talk say sometimes the finishing they make sense. So you where they into this business now. What you go talk say be some of the complaints where some Nigerians they get why they know they like to patronize Nigerian products.
The issue is say right from the beginning, Nigerians we no like made in Nigerian products. We just love the fact that it's made in this, it's made in that because of the brand.
The brand.
Yes. And locally made shoes like we they do for Nigeria here. We go for the best of the best. Since how long they do this shoe, I never see complaint.
For real?
Yes. And I've made shoe for a lot of people. Made shoe for Alibaba, the comedian, Femi Adebayo, Officer Woods, Bro Bush, a lot of celebrities. And they have never made complaints. And my customers too.
Okay, so I don't see your shoe and the finishing I must say. People they see on for TV go see and say the finishing they beautiful. The soul self. I like the way, especially this blue one, it's in kajad well. Sweet. So a lot of people now go the one they ask say this one where you find like this for eye. Should be they durable. How long it go feel last? According to what you say, I don't talk. I don't want to be say person go just wear now. But by the time you reach gates, they say don't open, come begin laughing and all that. So what will be the durability based on the experience of your customers?
The durability is very, very strong. Because the problem we just get is most shoes, it depends on your usage, how you take they use them. Sometimes some people will get shoes, they will just keep them for somewhere. Whereas shoes need air, small air to the blow. Because gum self they expire.
Okay, now make after a while some gum of the shoe go come out.
Even those shoes where they buy for Italy self, you go reach one stage, you go open. Because now the gum say get expiring date.
So shey we dey use the correct gum?
Now the correct gum we dey use. No matter even our own gum we dey use, it still dey strong.
Okay,
so because I can leave in my job for
it's good say we dey talk about this thing now and about made in Nigeria products and everything, and you talk and say Nigerians no just like to patronize Nigerian business, but I go feel say now because of experience, now they make them they enter this mindset. We don't get experience where they work. Now talking about price, price now another thing. I go fit one import this kind shoe now all the way from China. We go dig digba, and it not go too reach the money where I go spend on top made in Nigeria. Why it be like that?
The thing is a quality, they expensive. That's just the fact. Because if you buy something we say say yes, this thing now quality, made they cheap. I know they criticize anybody, but most of the shoes where they carry from China now synthetic
shoes.
By synthetic, it means the material no
strong. We see original leather at cheap price. Fit.
Okay, so now the quality now they make and the expensive. Talking about quality now, when it comes to shoe, the number one place where people for the world they always talk about now Italy,
Italian
all
shoes.
of that. So what's be the difference between this your quality now and the Italian Vintoli brand? That kind of big brand who they hear will be Italiano brand. What's be the difference between your quality and that Italian quality?
Is 70 to 90.
Oh.
Because I'm 100% assured that my shoes, they are 100% quality.
So now you want to talk say na Mugu now they buy designers.
They go boutique. Okay, and I be want ask about, as you don't ask about the quality now. Say Nigerians too, we like to follow name.
Yes.
We like to follow name.
Now make
as you all now no get plenty name like this. They not see crest. They not look. They go look and say make I wear am. Make people see say logo dey there. Shey na intentional. I would say you no put crest or logo on top am.
The crest dey inside.
It dey inside.
Like this one now. The crest dey there. KCC.
But how you want to show people? You go come on shoe say my brother na KCC.
Some people down for the soul.
They like to
so
show.
Once I do like this time, they say oh KCC.
You know say that one self they involved in the reason why Nigerians know they like to buy from Nigeria because of name.
Mostly, though we are working on it.
Okay.
We have so many things like the branding. We are not even they try to put for the next batch of production. Because name self, it matters too.
It matters, exactly.
So now things we say, me say don't they work on. Very soon, by next production will be next week.
Okay.
We will be there.
All right, so in terms of marketing the products made in Nigeria, what will be the greatest challenge where you say you get to push this your market to make people accept them, say, oh, this one a better product. So as much as Italo good, this one sell good, well like them.
The challenges is just that we are still looking for a way to convince the Nigerian market. Because Nigerians, we love something that, okay, this person is a trusted person. As long as this person, they wear them, that means the shoe is good.
Makes sense.
Now, why most of us, they go for influencers, actors.
So that people go see them, so they wear them.
So that's just, but without that, people that are coming around them, they know that, yes, this product is
you
good.
don't by chance try our politicians, like make Oga Bubu, Oga Buhari wear them, make your governor wear them, make all those kinds of things. You don't by chance make move to enter government. Because government and another person, people will fit patronize you. Apart from patronizing, go encourage others to say, see what's in our Nigerian person make.
Yeah, I don't do the process. Because there was a time I had this conversation with one of my friends. His dad is the governor of Osun State. Okay. So we are working on making at least, if the president, the politics know about the made in Nigerian product and everything, so we improve the market.
Because right now they say our politicians they wear suit again. They don't wear Nigerian.
They wear that one.
But the senators and all that. So if they wear Nigerian shoe, join them. You go not say balance.
Yes. May just complete. Say they be full Nigerians. When they go outside, they go do treatment.
Then they look your leg. Whether you go put one for
this one no go size me. Let's say it's small. This one
size 45.
This 45, it go size me. This one, make I just
But
put
now
on
this
one
blue
side.
one I like.
Make I just put on one side. They say it go size me. Don't worry,
Okay.
this one go size
So
me.
you know, as you come inside this show now, this showcase, so we don't showcase you now.
Yes,
if
so.
we say make you bring money, the money plates you, it run into over 500,000 for naira. So as if we say we don't come showcase you to the world now. Right now, as our people they watch, some people don't they say, oh, I for like buy a more, but I not get money. Oh yeah, you go do giveaway now, brother. Okay. Urgent giveaway.
Is it an urgent giveaway?
You go do urgent giveaway so that one of our Ogbonge listener where the person where they watch us now go fit benefits for this your made in Nigeria. Should we go do giveaway?
Yeah, sure, I go.
Okay, so how many shoes you go fit give? We get men and women listeners, watchers.
Yeah, I think give one male, one female.
One male,
One
female.
male, one female.
Man, be that.
Oh!
Ha!
Oh!
See, it's good to be in this situation
In
as
this
the male.
situation,
You are the female.
As a running mate.
What are we?
As a running mate.
It's like this thing has been ordained.
National cake.
It's national
You go
cake.
reach everybody.
Don't think. Now joke with a joke, but now one male, one female. Oga don't talk say go give out shoe too. So yes, as on adult they watch us now, make una send us message for una WhatsApp message go make sense.
WhatsApp
I
go
make
make
una
sense.
follow Instagram handle.
What's it be the handle?
Now,
KCC_stores.
KCC_stores. Now be that KCC_stores.
That guy when be say for do proposal, person when be say be one proposal,
He want proposal,
on Valentine's Day, like for
Valentine's
winner,
Day.
in win one, in babe, in what to be win one. So it will not be anko.
If the babe no can agree to collect,
They no go win.
they will collect the shoe back.
We will collect the shoe.
We
We'll collect the shoe back.
Bros,
So when the
correct.
person win, we go let you know the size, so that you go know the size
Yes.
what you go do for the person.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
plenty,
It's too much.
plenty.
It's too much.
Thank you.
Very much, my brother. For this thing where you don't carry out, so I believe say as Nigeria, me I touch her, it's strong. It makes sense. If I wear this one now, enter somewhere.
And that one I did my eyes.
They
I
go
just
hear
that one.
word.
Now your leg go speak for you.
Yeah, nah.
As you matching, now your leg.
Say,
na
sir,
go
do you
speak
know
for
the way? Say yes, it's around that. Just
If you try them now, if you try 'em.
have you tried this one?
Sure.
Oh, God, don't give me go ahead.
When you dey bring woman home.
Hello, calm down. Make I try shoes.
Oga, this na running mate business.
Make we go break. When we come back, it is
Wetin dey cinema.
cinemas. Waiting the cinemas. Now we go check. When I don't check, waiting day my shoe. They don't say make I try.